What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to HERSTYLEZ TV, and as you can see, I'm back with another crochet video. So I'm using the Freetress water popping twist hair. This hair was a little different. It had the little bundles instead of the hair already looped. It was more of bundles. So of course, I always pull the hair apart and put it on my little it's really a clothes hanger, but I use it as a hair hanger. So yeah, this hair also gives more of an afro look. And if you've seen one of my videos before, you know this is my go-to braid pattern. And this is my client that she loves her hair big and messy. She don't really like it neat. She likes it big, and she likes the tousled look. So as you can see, the hair is already afro-y from pulling it apart. And also, when you're doing these crochets on your clients, it's okay to have them help you or ask them to help you. I've had no problem with my clients helping me because it makes the process go faster instead of me having to separate the hair, put it in the hair, separate the hair, put it in the hair. And also, that's why I got the clothes hanger to put the hair on. So ask your clients if they mind helping you. Like I said, it'll make the process go a little quicker. So with this hair, even though I'll be honest, I'm not a big fan of Freetress hair, but this hair was okay. It was on the softer side. It wasn't synthetic-y. I mean, a little bit, but it gave a more softer feel. It was very easy to put in, even though, you know, of course it didn't have the loop, but that's no problem because you just loop it around your finger. So I'm just putting it in as normal, and we're just going to continue doing that. All right. Alright, so with this hair, it gave good coverage. As you can see, the middle is not done, but it was covering already. So when I do this middle section, I'm really going to space it out. I normally kind of space it out in the middle. That's how you make it not so big and bushy, so your clients won't look like Mufasa. Or if you're doing this yourself, so you won't look like Mufasa. So I'm really going to space it out with this hair because it gives good coverage. So yeah, so as you can see, you could see that it's covering. But anyway, I just wanted to point that out, that I really didn't have to do the middle, but I can't just leave the middle empty. I can't have my client go out like that. Oh no. Not with my name on it. But anyway, yeah, just wanted to point that out, that this hair gives good coverage. Alright, so I'm all done with installing, and now I'm just going to give this hair a little trim, mainly just to cut the long ends and just to give it a little more shape. She didn't want me to cut off that much because she likes the way it is now. So I'm just pretty much cutting the long ends and just giving just a little bit more shape to it. But yes, don't you see how this hair covers? This hair gives good coverage. I'm just saying, because it did. Okay. right, folks, so we're done, and I'm just putting a little finishing touches with some edge control, and I'm using the iStyles Hair Care I Lay Edges Edge Control, and just kind of just laying them back. I usually use a brush, but they needed to be clean, so I had to use a comb. And I just do it this way. I don't do the swirl edges. My clients are a little older, so they don't really like that. But this is the finished look, you guys. So if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you know when I drop a video. Thumbs up if you like this video. Comment as well. And follow me on Instagram and TikTok at HERSTYLEZ with a Z15. And she was very satisfied with her hairdo, her afro. All right, folks, I'll see you on the next.